What's up guys, I'm here from iTech and welcome to this new video. So today I have got some new news for you guys. So recently I saw this video by iDevice Help which showed how you can see your battery life or how many times you've actually charged your phones or complete charge cycles to be precise. So he told us to actually enable Apple Analytics. So I did the same, but the result for him and me has been quite different. And for the rumor that has been passing around for iPhone OS being the new name for iOS, this thing on my phone proves that iPhone OS is indeed coming. Well, this is the iPhone XR in red color, which is running iOS 13.6, and yes, today morning the iOS 13.6.1 version has been released. I haven't updated yet, just to show you this thing. Well, when I go to settings, scroll down to privacy, analytics and improvements, go to analytics data, scroll down to log sessions. Now all these sessions pretty much have the same thing. Well, there is quite a lot different, but the beginning is always the same. Well, that's the data about my iPhone. Well, for example, if I take this right here, well, you can see right here that this is the share with app devs, which means that this data is being shared with app developers, which is probably from year, or rather year to year, because that's where the brackets close. But as you go through what is written here, well, it's the iPhone 11,8, which is the name for the iPhone XR actually. Then we go down a bit and we see OS version is iPhone OS 13.6, which is pretty weird because of course this is iOS 13.6 and Apple didn't even call iOS 14 as iPhone OS 14. Well, I'm currently running iPhone OS or iOS 14 on this particular model of the iPhone SE, which I made myself. But those things aside, this is pretty much clearly written iPhone OS 13.6. So I want your thoughts on this. What do you think about this new name? And is it really going to come? Well, I'm not sure about why is this actually here? Because iPhone OS should at least have been in the beta. But yeah, like iDevice Help said that there should be something called as log aggregated. But there is no log aggregated on my iPhone XR. But the iOS 14 beta does have log aggregated in it. So this is a thing which I did find weird and couldn't find iPhone OS till now on iOS 14, but if I find it, I'll surely make an update video. Okay, future Om here. So I just wanted to check out if I can find iPhone OS on the iOS 14 beta, and yes, indeed, I found it. As you can see on the screen, this is some other analytic data, but it also mentions OS version iPhone OS 14. So surely let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this new name, and what do you think, will it come or not? But yeah, I'm pretty sure that it might come. I'm more towards the positive side than I am to the negative side of it coming. But yeah, surely let me know your thoughts down below. And also let me know if you have any idea of what exactly OS version in this actually means. Maybe this is just what they call it as the keyword for iOS. Maybe. Let me know in the comment section down below. That's always open for ya. And yeah, continue with the video. But yeah, this is kind of a quick video just showcasing that iPhone OS is probably indeed coming. And I also show a tweet by John Prosser, I think it is John Prosser or someone else, showing on Twitter that iPhone OS is indeed coming, but it did not actually come at WWDC. So this was some news which I like to cover, and I've shown it to you. I would like to know your thoughts on this new name of iOS in the comment section down below. Surely let me know. And yeah, that's it for this one. and maybe we are going to have to call it iPhone OS versus Android. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace.